siya. Ayun, kasi nakikita siya, lalo na kapag tumutugtog siya. Kasi nakikita ko siya, lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanya na kapag natuto siyang mag-Tagalog, pwede niya siya maging example.
Samuel B has a big body. James is on his way to having
ayun, sa physical naman sa He's getting there na daw.
He's getting there na. Oo, nakita ko kanina. Sa mga chatters ngayon, nakita ko kanina, maingit kayo. Malaki na kanyang brass.
I'm wearing a sando underneath. I can take it off.
Yeah, you can take it off. Here's the next question from Amy. What's the sweetest thing that you did for each other? Why are you laughing?
Sweetest thing.
Wala namang ginawa to eh.
Harana. Even though
That's
not
a
real.
GB.
It's not real.
Out sa GB. Wala namang ginawa to talaga.
Well, you too.
Uy, ako! Marami akong ginawa.
What? Like what? Name one.
Mamaya ka na, ikaw muna sumagot.
Name one. You have what? Devon James. D is first. You go first.
Hindi, ikaw muna. Ladies first. Hindi na, ikaw muna. Be gentleman,
There's
dude.
many sweet things you've done for me. So, yeah, name one of them.
Nagmamassage kayo ako sa'yo.
Oh, me too. There you go.
Wait, excuse me. Kapag nag-aano siya, nag-aas siya ng massage.
Yeah.
For like 2 hours ako nagmamassage sa kanya.
After I
siya
massage
2
her.
minutes or mga less than 5 minutes. Sabi niya, ay na. Gumaganon siya. Yun, equivalent sa kanya ng 2 hours. 5 minutes.
That's the sweetest thing.
Massage?
Massage? That's lame! Okay! Oo, marami okay.
That's lame, man. What?
Ano ba? Ikaw nga! Sumagot ako isa.
I went to our house with a big thing of flowers. And I asked her to watch a movie with me. Is that right?
Ayaw maniwala ni Devon. Ayaw mo mag-agree.
Go ahead yung ulo ko. Paikot.
Your turn, Devon.
Dude, she went first, right? She went first, right?
Ako naman, sa totoo, hindi talaga ako marunong magluto. So, yan. Specialty ko lang rice. Pinagluto ko siya. Dahil nung nagkasakit siya.
This was inside the PBB house.
What did you make me? Toast?
Toast?
What?
Excuse me. Nag-ano kaya ako ng soup sa'yo? Gusto mo sabunin kita dyan? Hindi, yun. Hindi talaga ako marunong, so parang nag-made up na lang ako. Pero nagustuhan niya.
How sure are you that he liked what you made for him?
Inubos niya, naghahanap pa siya ng iba.
Yeah, I loved it.
Then he went to the comfort room.
Pwede nga.
That's why I loved it.
Kaya,
This is, the next question is from Aloha Javon. And the question is, despite your own differences, what makes you two so comfortable with each other?
Differences? What differences?
I don't know.
ano?
What differences?
Even though you're two different people, like I think James, you usually go out, right, and then the one. What are the let's rephrase the question. What are the things, even though you're different in some other ways, what are the things that you enjoy doing together?
I don't know, she loves playing computer games. I don't want to say one of the boys, but I guess that's why. I don't know, just good
Ano yung mga gusto mong ginagawa mo with James? Activities, anything.
Alayo mo naman. Wala, kahit ano naman yung gift pinaggagawa namin, wala na ako isip. Oo. Kahit ano na, kung ano lang yung nakikita namin, pinagtitipan namin.
Okay. Here's a question from James Reed number 1. Okay. James, since we've heard that you go to the gym, are you also into sports?
Sports. In Australia I was, but here no, not so much. I still do swimming all the time, but it's not much of a sport.
But what are the sports that you want to try?
That I want to try.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of sports. When I was a kid, I go to a different sport every year. I keep changing. Soccer to Australian football, even golf, the gymnastics, and diving. Yeah, I did a lot of weird sports. My dad pushed me into a lot of different things. I was pretty good at most of them, but I never really stuck to one thing. But at the moment, there are sports that I really enjoy playing now.
Okay. This one is from Helenisa. Devon, how do you maintain your beautiful skin? What's your beauty secret?
Beauty secret. Punta kayo kay Dr. 6M. Wala ako. Yun. Wala naman ako, ano lang, ano na siguro, wala akong masyadong iniisip. And,
Just lucky.
lagi lang akong, happy lang ako lagi. Kaya siguro, char, uy. Naku, huwag ka naman salita. Yun.
A question from Happy Teen. What kind of roles do you want to play in the future?
Action.
Ako din.
Like action roles.
Action movie. Parang,
Gun, explosions.
gusto ko
jumping
yung,
off
like,
buildings.
yung parang, ano nga yun? Underworld? O,
Vampire.
Vampire.
Underworld. Tapos yung,
Galing I could say.
oo, tapos gusto ko yung like, maala, Angelina Jolie.
Anong movie? Ikaw, James.
Yun.
Movie title.
What do you mean title? Like genre?
Action movie title.
Yeah, like action movie, like something.
Do you want to play like a spy or someone who lost his memory and then is being chased by all
Someone
these
with
agents?
superpowers, like a superhero.
Oh.
What kind of superhero powers would that in case?
Super strength is too boring. They'd have to be able to. That's boring too. Flying is definitely the best power I can think of.
Flying.
Flying.
Flying only.
There are other things too. No matter what. But if I had just one power, then fly.
Flying. This is a question from actually all of the chatters. A lot of chatters are asking, how's school, Devon? How are you enjoying school?
Ang sarap ng pakiramdam bumalik sa school. Talaga parang nini-enjoy ko na, and minsan nahihirapan nga lang ako kasi parang binabalance ko pa. Pero okay naman siya, na dadala ko naman. Hi to my classmates.
Being a celebrity affects your school. Like, syempre artista ka, di ba? Parang nahihirapan ka ba na mag-make friends or it's easier to make friends because everybody knows you?
So, totoo lang, parang,
They didn't recognize.
parang awkward kasi parang silang lahat, parang sila, parang tumitingin lang and parang takot sila na sinabi ko sa kanila na mababait ako, you can't approach me guys, so ganun. sila yung parang nahihiya sila. So minsan ako na yung nakikiuut, ano sa kanila, nag-a-approach. Oh, yun. Pero now, okay naman kasi mga ilan.
Acquainted na, nakapag-usap na. Another tough question for Devon. This is from Surrey, BC. And to Devon, if you are asked to do your first kissing scene, to whom do you want it to be? Is it with Sam, Enrique, or James?
Serious may nakalagay pa serious. Hi, Surrey!
And why? You should put and why.
And why?
But why? Kissing scene, hindi ko pa iniisip yun eh.
What if? Like, look, 5 years or 10 years from now, and then you're asked to do a kissing scene. To whom do you want it to with?
Sa akin, kung kailangan naman talaga okay lang naman sa akin, pero, okay lang sa akin kung sino man lang, sinong gusto nila ikapareha sa akin.
The question is, you have to
Hindi
choose
naman-
one.
Bakit? My choices kasi nasabi ni King James. Ay,
There are three.
cute
There are two
kayo.
choices. You pick one, and you say why.
Is it
Ba't
Sam,
ganon?
Enrique, or James? And why?
Dapat talaga ganun lang.
Yes.
Yun. Why?
They're demanding for a serious and honest answer.
So Sam, yes or no?
Ba't ka ganyan? Iniipit mo ako.
5.
4.
Bakit?
3.
Ay, gusto niyo. Ush! Time's up.
What?
So Sam, yes or no?
Why Enrique? Yes or no? Will be yes or no?
Sa tatlo, okay lang. Ay, yung kinuha.
Choose one.
No! Talagang wala ako sa isip. Kissing scene, layo pa ha, friend. Ba't naman ganyan question mo, friend?
So even if they told you that, oh, you're gonna do it with James. Your first kissing scene is with James.
You
Kung
say,
sino
okay.
yung...
That's
Will
epic.
you say okay or will you say, oh, I rather Enrique?
Kung sino man yung kalapit ko now, okay lang. Kung like... I have...
Devon, turn off your phone. We're having a chat.
Kayo?
We have a chat, so you turn off your phone.
Sa akin kaya yun. Ay, akin. Hindi, sa'yo yun.
Tinawagan ka niya so that you could escape the question, but you couldn't.
Oo nga. Ay, hindi pa.
We have all the time in the world. Even if it's...
Kung si James naman yung ka-partner ko, or like, after 5 years, pwede na rin.
So you chose me.
Pwede na
You
rin.
chose me. Okay.
So let's give
Pwede
the
ba si
question
John
to
Lloyd na lang?
James.
John Lloyd na lang.
If ever you're gonna do a kissing scene 5 years from now, let's make it 3 years from now, or 2 years from now.
For a month.
Would I choose Sam, Enrique, and me?
No!
Yeah, kung sino daw maano mo.
Devon and Patricia. And why?
Sure. Oh my god, it is a hard question.
See? Sabi, I told you, bro. Ay, sabi ko nga kapag sino kalapin ko, after 5 years, wala.
That's
After
unfair.
2 years. After
You
2
didn't
years.
answer the question. Okay,
Yung
I'll,
I did, dude.
okay, I'll answer the question. If I had to choose one of them, I would choose one.
Why?
Because
Kasi pinili ko din siya.
exactly. No, not really, because the moment I'm more comfortable with her, and we've had a lot of experience acting together and doing sweet scenes together. I mean, last episode of Good Vibes we had an almost kiss. So,
Almost.
an
Almost. Almost.
But yeah, so yeah, I'm
Super
choosing-
close na. Ayun.
Yeah, I can answer.